Hello, fifth graders. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for your Create a Line Plot project. So in Canvas, you should have access to a document that is a Create a Line Plot project QR code. You can see the title up here at the top. In this document, you have some instructions. It says, after creating your quiz questions and answers, you will use the website below to create your QR codes for the answers to put on your poster. You will copy paste your QR codes onto this document, and then I will print them for you, or you have access, you can print them at home as well. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to click this website right here, and it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. Please use the text option, and you're going to type in your question and your answer. So here is my first quiz question. My quiz question is, how long would it be if you lined up all the shoes? And my answer is 206 feet. So I'm going to go to this website, the QR code, and you can see that I've typed in how long would it be if you lined up all the shoes, my question, and my answer. So now I'm ready to make my QR code. I've typed in my question and answer, and I'm over here. So you can see that you have some frame choices if you want to change the frame of your QR code. And once you're happy with your QR code, you're going to come down here and click the download button. When you click the download button, it's going to ask you to sign in. You don't need to do that, but up here at the top it says your QR code is being generated. Do not refresh. So you're going to wait for just a minute until it finishes. At the bottom of your Chromebook, you should get a little download option. Once your QR code finishes downloading, you're going to open it up, and it will look like this. Then you can right-click on it or two-finger click and copy. Then you're going to go back to your Google document, and you're going to paste. Now I have my QR code for my question. You're going to do that for all 4 questions, and then when all 4 are ready to go, I will print them for you for your poster. Great job, 5th graders. I can't wait to see your finished posters.